So here we have the HS330 timber aluminium lift and slide system from Internorm Windows. As I said, a timber aluminium composite system can achieve an overall UW performance of 0.73, which is within passive house parameters. And in terms of the internal options, we've got a spruce, larch, ash, oak and walnut option as well, so it will match in with the rest of the windows that we can offer here at Internorm. This particular system also comes with a soft close mechanism, so we're showing a manual operation as opposed to the automated option from before. Soft close operation, which will allow us to protect the window itself, so we can be quite bold and the system will protect itself. Another feature of the system itself is because it is a lift and slide system, we can drop it down anywhere across that threshold and it's locked in place through the weight. Now the weight of the system will take a maximum of 400 kilos on the opening sash, and a fixed element will take up to 600 kilos as well. That's once again triple glazed as standard. So fantastic thermal performance, especially when we're talking about large areas of glass and when temperatures are around about that 0 degrees. It feels a lot more ambient internally. You get less movement of air exchange with cold spots to do with the coldest areas, which would always be the glass, and it's a fantastic thermally performing system. Within the HS330 system, we have options to do glass-to-glass joins, especially going around corners at 90 degrees, internal and external corners, as well as fully openable corners with a flying mullion as well. We're showing a glass-to-glass join here, which is very popular within the Internorm suite of products. Another benefit of this particular system is a level threshold. So we construct our threshold out of fiberglass with an aluminium casing on top for the aesthetic. Fiberglass being a fantastic insulator, and it's crucially only 45mm. So in terms of a construction detail, that 45mm to the finished floor detail is what we're looking to hide in the construction detail, and we show that within this installation here.